Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about joint care 11 before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to avoid wasting your money. First and most important warning. Be cautious about where you buy joint care 11. Right now, this product is only available on its official website. To make things easier for you, I've added the link to the official website in the video description below and pinned it in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen to give you my honest review, share my experience, and help you decide if joint care 11 is the right solution for you. What is joint care 11? Joint care 11 is a natural dietary supplement specially formulated to support joint health, reduce pain and inflammation, and improve mobility. It's made with powerful ingredients like Niacinamide, Turmeric, and Boswellia Serrata, which work together to repair cartilage, ease swelling, and protect your joints. This supplement is perfect for anyone dealing with joint stiffness, discomfort, or limited mobility, especially if it's caused by aging or physical strain. It's designed to restore flexibility, enhance bone health, and improve overall joint function. How does joint care 11 work? The secret to joint care 11 lies in its blend of carefully selected natural ingredients, each aimed at tackling joint pain and improving joint health. Niacinamide. This key ingredient helps repair cartilage damage, which is a major cause of joint pain in conditions like osteoarthritis. It also protects your cartilage, reduces inflammation, and enhances flexibility. Turmeric and curcumin. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant with strong anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces swelling, alleviates pain, and promotes healing in your joints. Boswellia Serrata, known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, this herbal extract helps reduce joint discomfort and supports mobility. Methylsulfonylmethane. MSM is a natural compound that reduces inflammation, supports joint function, and provides temporary relief from muscle and joint pain. Ginger root and basil leaf. These ingredients further reduce inflammation and stiffness, promoting healthier, more flexible joints. Why choose joint care 11? By combining these powerful ingredients, joint care 11 works to restore joint mobility, reduce inflammation and pain, protect and repair cartilage, support long-term joint health. Whether you're struggling with joint discomfort due to aging, physical strain, or conditions like osteoarthritis, this supplement offers a natural solution to help you regain your flexibility and improve your overall quality of life. If you're ready to experience the benefits of joint care 11, make sure you purchase it from the official website to ensure